Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Design and Tech.co, and I'm your host Akhil. Today we're looking at how artificial intelligence assistants can help you close more sales. Now, you may have a sales team which follows a particular sales process, and your sales process might revolve around Excel sheets or CRMs. Even with very high high value CRMs, they're still not able to close the loop, and they leave a lot to be desired. And what if there were artificial intelligence assistants that would help them convert more, track better leads, and identify better leads and screen them as well. And this would in turn reduce the amount of work that your sales team has to do, and also reduce the amount of probably the manual work that they have to do. Now, there are six major things that an assistant these days, a sales assistant or an AI tool could do for you. So we'll start with the first one, which is identifying similar target audiences. So the amount of leads that your CRM gets every single day, in terms of incoming leads or your salespeople actually physically uploading those leads. Now, your sales assistant or your AI bot or assistant would be able to understand the preferences, the psychographics and the demographics of these leads, and would be able to also identify what kind of leads it should go and get out, and it will be able to also tell you all these similar audiences. So, for example, if you were to buy database of those leads, and you wanted to ask your sales assistant or your AI to give you an output report of what kind of audiences are the best for your business, it would be able to do that and give you a report of these kind of audiences that would be the best suited based on the leads that you already have in your system. The second point is follow-ups. Now, we all know that human beings, they forget a lot of things, and your sales team might not be following up like really well with the clients. And after 3-4 times of following up, the sales team, the human sales team, they kind of give up because they get demotivated, or they have feelings basically, so they give up. But what if there was an automated tool that could keep following up 7, 8, 9, 10 times without getting tired, without forgetting things, and on an automated basis, and that will lead to very high conversions for you. The third point is email scheduling and reminders. What if you could schedule emails, and what if we could create a chain, like if the response is this, send this kind of an email, response is this, send this kind of an email, and also set up reminders to yourself and to the bot as to when to send all those emails. That would really change the way you do sales. The fourth point would be, what if your assistant, your sales assistant could give you prompts on writing better emails when you're writing an email to the client. What if it could tell you, if you write these kind of words or these kind of sentences, that's going to probably enable a better or elicit a better response from your client. And it would do so based on all the past data that it has from your organization. It would read all the emails that have been going out to clients, and all the emails that have had a successful or a positive response from the client. It will learn those, and based on those, it will tell you, this is the kind of copy that's going to win the business for you. Then fifth is scraping client websites for more important details. So what if your sales assistant could go out onto the internet and could scrape out more leads and information and contact information like emails and phone numbers, for example, and provide all of those to you in the CRM or in the Excel sheet, and then you could reach out to more of those target audience, right? Instead of having to do all this physically. Then the sixth part would be automating the complete sales processes, like screening the leads, sending PPTs, or sharing past work done, or sharing your case studies related to that particular industry of the clients that you're trying to get. So what if your sales assistant could be smart enough to know which industry client you're reaching out to and send only that kind of case studies to that client? This would save a lot of time for your salespeople, and a lot of repetitive work basically, and a lot of manual work would be saved. Everything would be automated. You will make much lesser mistakes. Your clients would perceive you more as more of a professional sales team, and all of this is possible with the current sales based tools out there. So some of the top sales assistant softwares are Tact AI, Edward.ai, and there's one called CIEN, and there's another called Spyro. Check these out. These are really helpful. And if you want to know and understand more about how sales assistant enable better selling for your sales team, and how they can reduce a lot of overheads in terms of manual work and repetitive work and communication overheads, do head over to our website, which has a lot of information. Our website is www.designandtech.co. So it has a lot of articles and opinions about technology and related articles. Thank you.